guys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang something. This is my brother-in-law Ryan. If you didn't know, you should know.
I've been on this channel before. Well,
you
maybe
have.
about once or twice.
Okay, so we ordered a whole bunch of crap from Domino's. If I'm honest with you, I love these videos. Do you love them?
Same. They actually make me so hungry. So to be inside one of the videos, I'm so excited.
And we ordered so much stuff, especially for 2 people.
We've got like a mix of wedgies and chicken wings.
We got some chicken strippers, which look like this. I like when they're a little bit more cooked, but you know, oh my god, I'm actually getting really, really hungry.
So
I don't know if they can see that
this one is like garlic bread. Oh shit!
Please don't try it. By the way, we have some cookies which are amazing. If you never tried Domino's cookies, you need to get on them.
And then I got chicken, mushroom, and sweet corn pizza.
I got a veggie pizza, so I get I change it. Veggie-roma.
That's so small.
It's a personal one because I can't order that. I'm gonna vomit.
Oh my god.
By the way, guys, I don't actually eat cheese, so I only have it if it's mixed in or if it's a little bit. So if you see me picking the cheese off the pizza, I might be thinking, why the hell did you even order a pizza in the first place? But now, I actually like the taste of cheese when it's mixed in on it, but I just don't like cheese. Bloody weird, I know, but I feel like if I just got tomato, it's gonna be like bare dodgy. So yeah, and I got my tomato ketchup at the side because you know.
On the side, not like on top.
So should I put it on the box?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Bitch, I am so excited for this.
It's still warm.
Smell it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the best breakfast ever.
We haven't eaten breakfast. It's a good day, people. What's your favourite thing to eat?
Pizza's definitely up there. Chinese and Italian. I don't eat Indian, which is really weird because I know it's really popular.
Love Indian food. I love Indian food more than Chinese food.
Do you?
I love Indian food. I love a vegetable curry. Oh my god. And Bombay potatoes. I live for Indian food. It's amazing. I swear, Domino's Frank's hot sauce is so good. I like it.
What, that?
Try it.
What, with pizza?
Have it, everything.
I'm not a fan of hot stuff though. You know, like.
So for those of you who don't know, I go out with Ryan's brother Sean, and we've been together for 10 years now. So Ryan is literally like my brother, but also my best friend at the same time. Like, we get along like a house on fire. I mean, to be fair, I can't really stand you half the time.
Oh.
But no, it's okay.
No, like, she used to stay at my house like all the time.
Practically like live
growing
there.
up, like lived there.
Right.
Oh.
What? And I've got hair on my pizza.
What'd you put on me?
Because of dog hair.
No, I got the freaking garlic mayo all down my mouth. These wedges are fucking good.
We're gonna get into some juicy stuff now, guys and girls. Let's talk, let's spill some tea, let's share it all. Have you ever had any like bitchy fake friends that you've just kind of had? What have you done? What has happened? Don't even do that. No, come on, this is what they want to see. That's what I want to hear.
To be honest, my group of friends are people I've hung around since I was little. I've always kind of had the same group of people.
Yeah.
Mainly anyway. So I've never had like problems in that area. I usually fight them.
Do you?
And pull their hair.
Need to cut it. Them prices way too high, you need to cut it.
Is that the lyric?
Cut it. Cut it. Yeah. I actually know the lyrics for
that
once.
price is way too high.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it is. Comment down below if I got it wrong.
So you know that Anne-Marie song? Sorry.
What?
I've got to tell your viewers because it makes me laugh every time. So you know that song Ciao Adios?
Oh, you! You're evil.
You know that song Ciao Adios I'm done? Well, this girl thought the word.
I'm actually so stupid for thinking this, honestly.
This girl thought the words were shower the horse. I'm done. Shower the horse. Like,
do you know why? Yeah, it was too fast. And there was 2 things I thought in my head. I thought, is it shower the horse I'm done or shout out to her I'm done? So I was like, what one is it? And I had a genuine question. I said to Ryan, I was like, right, is it saying this? And then he was like, You actually.
The song,
joking
I swear
right
the
now.
song is called Ciao Adios. Like, it's literally in the song title.
Sometimes I'll just mime them, and when I'm out, I'll be like, yeah, yeah, and I'm thinking, I don't even know what I'm saying, you know? Like, I'll be like, oh my god, I don't
So
know
many
this
times,
song.
like, I'm like, do you love this? Do you know this song? Do you know this song? She's like, yeah. And I'm like, who's it by? And she's like, no, literally, I have no idea. And it'll be like someone by like Rihanna, like who everyone knows, and she'll be like, no, I don't know who sings it. Like, she's so bad with like music.
I'm good with faces, but I don't remember people's names.
Yeah,
So,
but I'm really good. Like,
yeah, you know everyone. Look at this. Doesn't that look so good? Yeah, I know you want that. Let me take some of that cheese off though, because that is too much to go into my mouth.
we're the next Trisha Paytas.
Oh,
Trisha is quaking.
Trish. Oh,
I actually am a really big fan of her.
I like Shane.
Did you see them showing and Trish the video together?
Oh my god, who's messaging me?
Oh, someone's popular.
It's just my mum.
It's
My
one
mum.
time I cooked beans on toast. I was really confident that I did it right, but apparently that was still shit because apparently I didn't get the butter around the edges. Do you remember? He was like, I'll give you a C. It's like, it's a good attempt, but it's still not good enough. And I proper tried.
He buttered me toast, and all the corners were dry.
And just in the middle.
The middle had butter. I was like, what is this? I thought, in my head, I'm thinking, it's very nice that you made this for me, but your edges are dry, so I'll give you a C.
Your edges are dry. And I think one of the hardest things in the world to cook is beans on toast. Conspiracy theory. Because you have to put the toast in the toaster and then you have to go cook the beans in the saucepan. But then as you're cooking the beans, the toast starts cooking, so you have to run back to the toaster. and then the beans start getting burnt, so you have to run back to the beans. Either way, something gets burnt, so.
Oh my god, you're crazy.
Yeah, honestly, that's why I don't cook it.
Have you ever cooked like a roast dinner before?
No, are you mad?
That is so much harder. You got to do your potatoes, and you got your veg, you got your Yorkshires, you got your freaking greens. This guy's saying about beans on toast. Oh my god.
No, the only roast dinner I've probably cooked is at a microwave meal.
Going back to fake friend stuff, yeah. Years ago, I made friends with this girl who I actually thought was really, really nice.
Ooh, girl.
No, she seemed really nice. When I first met her, she had like a lot of insecurities and stuff, and I felt really bad for her. I didn't want her to feel that way. I kind of wanted her to feel good about herself or like this, so I did a lot of things that I was trying to encourage her to, you know, feel confident in that way, which is what you want all your friends. You should never have friends that want you to look bad or be bad or feel down. You should always have friends who want to like lift you up and inspire you to be like the best version of you in that way. So
Should be a competition.
never. So I thought, oh, she seems really nice. And as time progressed, like, obviously she's getting really confident. I was like, oh my god, amazing, you're doing so good. And then she made like bitchy comments to me, like really sly bitchy ones about myself. Or if I'd done something that I was really proud of at the time, I'd be like, oh my god, I just done this. Her response would literally be like, oh, that's cool.
Oh my god.
No,
that was the
like-
worst.
And I'm there so dead excited. I'm there like, oh my god, I can't believe this has happened, like blah, blah, blah.
If my
And I
friends
got
ain't
that.
my biggest fans, yeah, get the fuck back, guys.
You gotta be each other's hype man in that way, you know?
I'm
Yeah.
a grown woman.
As Beyonce would say.
Whatever I want.
I saw Beyonce in concert.
Oh yeah, how was it?
She's really good.
Like, her Coachella performance was amazing.
That's what I was expecting. Don't get me wrong, this concert was really good, but when I've seen her do some big, crazy stuff, I was expecting that at this concert. So I was like, woo, she come out with some sick things and everything. Like, it was really good. I still enjoyed myself. But when I paid like over £100 for a ticket, I'm thinking, you know, there's so many people here, I want to be like, boom, boom, I want it to be crazy. But it was still good now, regardless.
Because it was like a joint thing, wasn't it?
He has some bangers though, like he's got some really good songs. But because he cheated on her, I kind of have a little bit of like saltiness towards him. I'm like, how can you cheat on Beyonce? It's Beyonce.
If Beyonce can get cheated on, none of us are safe.
Exactly.
If you're watching this and you're putting your earphones in, this could be an ASMR video for you.
Oh my god, let's do that. I'm going to pick up this gorgeous wedgie that I kind of just dropped on the floor.
This chicken strip is delicious. Honestly, a huge fan of ASMR videos.
They're so hilarious.
And yeah, not to sound big-headed or anything, but
Here it comes.
but I discovered ASMR before it blew up like this year, and I found it like maybe 3 years ago. Honestly, that's so far.
You watch that woman who eats, don't you?
Pickle
I was
lady.
like, what? Like,
She
you
started off
watch
as
her.
Pickle Lady, but now she just does everything, and she's just like, I feel like she's my mum. So weird. I feel like a connection.
Oh my god. See, I like them when they read hate comments in it, because that cracks me up. Like, you're a bitch. I'm like, oh my god, I love that. But when it's actually eating, like, I'm there like, I
For
don't
me,
know.
it
about that.
actually does help me sleep. Like I used to watch this. What?
It helps you sleep.
Not the eating ones, the talking ones.
To put you asleep?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I've not heard of this.
I watched this guy. Oh, I can't remember his name, but there's this one guy. He's got videos of like 15 minutes of ASMR, like guaranteed to help you sleep. And like literally, I'll be watching it 15 minutes. I'm like 6 minutes into it, and I'll wake up the next morning like with my phone in my hand.
Yeah, but he's a winner like that. Like, he'll be here, and then he'll have his phone, and then he'll fall asleep, and then he'll be like, and then back on the phone, like, yeah, and then he falls asleep, and I'm like, right, are you okay?
Back on Instagram.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm going in for a cookie now, by the way.
Yeah, I'm going in for a fat. Woo, it's hot in here, guys.
These are amazing.
I thought you still up.
I know, but I can always fit chocolate.
We've done pretty well.
So good. Look how much left of the garlic bread. This is all we have left of the garlic bread.
And we've ate everything else. I hate eating in front of people.
And now I'm putting this on the internet.
And now it's going on the internet. When I've gone on dates and stuff before, there's one time I went on a date, and you always think like the worst thing you could do is go on a first date and get pasta, like spaghetti bolognese, but like you know the long stringy pasta. I don't know, it might be in Wagamama's or something, like with the long noodles. Anyway, it was something where you had to like suck it up in front of them. And I was just so mortified, and like every 2 minutes I was just like this, like covering my face up.
Before, I was at an event dinner, so like press and bloggers, YouTubers, all that stuff. I was eating something and I got this big bone from this fish stuck in my tooth, yeah. Everyone's all civil and all like, "Rrr." Sometimes, as a person anyway, I feel a little bit out of place sometimes, because you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'm not as like posh as some
They're
people.
bad and bougie.
Yeah. So I'm there like, oh, I trust this to happen to me. So I'm trying to lift my handkerchief up and be so ladylike and so civil. And I'm like trying to dig my hands in to get this bone out. And then one of my friends says, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. Trying to dig this huge bone out of my damn tooth.
Oh my god.
And then when I picked it out, I was like, well, I can't put it on my plate. So I rolled it up in my handkerchief. And I had to keep it there. So when the people come to collect it, I made sure I put it on the plate properly. Like, here you go. So awkward. Oh my god, and before, I was at this dinner party again, clearly. Just don't take me out for dinner. And I went downstairs to the loo, because I've really had a wee before the dinner party started, before they're doing their presentation thing. So I've gone downstairs now, and the toilet was one of them sliding doors, and then you twist the latch in. And it was really like underground kind of thing, like the basement of it's a fancy restaurant, but like the basement. Anyway, so I've gone down there now. I've gone away, done all my business, whatever. Oh my god, this latch is not undoing right. This latch is literally, I'm like pulling it. I'm like, oh my god, oh my god. So I'm pulling this latch, and I've got at the time I had long ass acrylics, yeah. So I'm getting my acrylics and I'm trying to grab this door over, and I'm like, get open. As I'm digging it in, it's not doing anything. So I'm like, shit, I'm locked in this toilet, and the dinner party's gonna start. So I check my phone. There is no signal in this basement.
Oh no.
And I'm not gonna lie, so I'm panicking now. My heart's going. I'm like, oh my god, no one's gonna know I'm here.
This is like something from a horror film.
Yeah, they can't hear me because I'm
I'm
downstairs.
about to die.
I was like, oh, this is terrible. So I was like, okay, calm down, Sabrina, calm down. So I push the door as far in as I can. So then maybe it's jolted where I've tried to pull it too much. I push it in, and I'm not even joking with you. My nails feel like they're going to rip off. I'm twisting it so hard with all my might. I'm like, I am getting out of this room. So I twist it and pull it back. And as it pulls it back, this guy at the entree, he's like, and they're in the dark because he's thinking, what the hell? I'm like breaking through it. And I was like, hey, it's okay, it's fine. Rock upstairs, they've already started. They've already
Did you tell
started.
anyone?
Yeah, I said to my friend Daisy, I was like, I just got locked in the toilet. And I was like, sorry.
There's one time it was like Valentine's Day, and I was on this date, and I think I was like 16, and I was in the cinema, and I was watching the Muppets film, and I was eating the popcorn and that. And then you know popcorn, it's got like these hard bits
Shell
in it,
bits.
like the shell bits.
Mhm.
I'm eating it and it's getting stuck in my throat. But I'm with this date, so I'm trying to keep it cute, yeah. I'm like, and I'm like trying to cough it out, and then like it's not going. I'm like, 5 minutes later, I'm like choking on the fucking chair, like, but also trying to keep it low key, so like they don't clock, but
You do them.
I'm just like, and then I must have just done one big cough, and then it flew across the fucking seat and went in front of me, and then my date was like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "Yeah, just a bit of popcorn, it'll be fine."
We are getting there, guys and girls. We're getting there. And what do you think? In 2 days, I go to Mallorca.
Should we talk about Love Island?
No, because I'm not up to date with it. Everyone hates Alex, though, so I guess.
His name's Adam, not Alex.
Well, Alex is a doctor.
Yeah, everyone
Oh,
loves
I love
Alex.
Alex. He's really nice.
This girl, this what I mean, she gets everything so wrong.
My head is just one big mess, honestly.
Yeah, I really like Love Island, but I'm just watching season 2 at the moment on Netflix because apparently that's like the really, really good one. So
I love season 2. I'm not that far behind on this one. It's just because where my days have been away and stuff, I haven't been able to watch it, so I've not been able to keep up with it. But yeah, that girl, Hayley, she said some silly stuff about Brexit, and I was there like, oh my god, please.
did she say something about like there being no trees or something? I
It's a
think she
huge
thought
thing.
it was some type of breakfast.
I mean, girls and guys, snatch your face, but know what's going on with the world, okay? Stay awake, please. Don't let social media clog up your brain and become very zombie-ish. Don't do it. Oh,
I can actually eat more of those cookies.
I'm done. Like, I'm actually so full. Look at this.
Give it an hour, we'll be hungry again.
Oh my god,
And I'm
so
sitting on
hard.
this really uncomfortable thing where really I want to sit here. But look.
I don't like the big hinge guy.
So
But
that didn't work.
I've had to sort this room out just so that we could actually sit up and do this video. I hope you guys have liked it.
If you want to see more of me on this channel, just tell her. And she'll still say no, but just tell her. How many calories? We worked it out.
I think over 4,000, I think it's about 4,400 calories in what we just ate. Hope it hasn't made you too hungry.
Thumbs up this video, subscribe. Sabrina's nearly at 300,000 subs.
Monica, I've still got 30,000 to go.
She's got 30,000, but you know, that'll just take like 10 minutes.
If you tell your friends.
If you tell your friends,
And
if you got 30,000 friends, then just tell them all.
Even if you've got 2 friends or 1 friend, just tell them.
But yeah, we've got to get it to 300,000.
We gotta join. What am I saying? We gotta expand the family, people. Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Enjoy the rest of your day.